Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to know this up front. An Xbox 360 wireless controller cannot enter Bluetooth mode. Once you accept that, make a quick choice. Use the Xbox 360 wireless gaming receiver or plug-in with a USB cable. Prepare the receiver and PC drivers, insert fresh AA batteries, and power the controller with the guide button. Don't waste time looking for a hidden Bluetooth toggle. Instead, focus on the receiver pairing flow. Once the receiver is plugged in and drivers are installed, press its small sync button. You'll see a flashing indicator on the receiver. Next, press the controller's guide button to wake it, then press the controller's sync button, small round button near the bumpers. The receiver's light will stop flashing, and the controller's quadrant LED will lock on, indicating a successful connection. If you need multiple controllers, repeat the receiver then controller sync sequence for each one. Finish by confirming the controller responds in Games and Device Manager shows the receiver. If it fails, replace batteries, move closer to the receiver, and reinstall the receiver driver. Sometimes Windows needs a reboot. As a guaranteed fallback, plug the controller in with a USB cable for immediate use. Remember the key point. You cannot enable Bluetooth on an Xbox 360 controller. The only wireless path is the dedicated receiver, and troubleshooting revolves around power, range, and correct driver installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.